Pull the paper tray out of the machine. Open the paper tray cover. Press and slide the paper guides to fit the paper. Fan the paper. Load the paper with the printing surface face down. Gently adjust the paper guides. Close the paper tray cover. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Locate the power cord and plug into an outlet. If using the fax feature, connect the telephone line cord to the line jack. To connect to a wired network, open the scanner cover and insert the Ethernet cord. Route the cord along the channel and out the back of the machine. Close the scanner cover. Open the ink cartridge cover. Remove the orange protective part. Unpack the black ink cartridge. Be careful not to touch the ink sensor chip. Insert the cartridge into the correct slot. Install the other ink cartridges into the marked slots. Close the ink cartridge cover. Press the settings icon. Press the date and time icon. And set the date and time. Press the ink icon. Select the Improve Print Quality option. Then select Check Print Quality. Press Start to print the print quality check sheet. Check the print quality and follow the directions on the screen. Press the Home button. Press the ink icon. Select the Improve Print Quality option. Now select the Alignment option. Select Next. Then select Yes. Now select Auto. Select the paper size from the touchscreen. Now press Start. The adjustment sheet will now print. Please note the black dot on the upper left corner. Open the document cover and place the adjustment sheet face down on the scanner glass. Verify that the black dot is in the left rear corner. Now press Start. Your machine is now ready to print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.